What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today we are putting on the new set of wheels. Yes, we already got them. Obviously you can see they're 420 tires, and I'll give you a little sneak peek. That's all I'm going to show you for now, but we are going to mount the wheels to the truck and do a reveal for you guys. Yes, we are a little bit sad that we got rid of the super singles, but I'm going to put pictures of the dude that I traded. Yes, I actually traded my super singles for the wheels over there. I just needed a little bit of change. I have a video explaining that and why I got rid of them. I'll link that in one of those card things on the side or whatever. But I just got rid of them the other day, traded for that set over there, and we are going to see what this is. I feel like the trade was a pretty even trade, and I'm gonna throw some pictures of that dude's truck with the super singles on them. Nasty 05 crew cab short bed, same color, white, got all paint match everything, and it actually looks, I literally think it looks better on his truck than it did mine. So check out these pictures. All right, now that you saw his truck, throw down in the comments if you thought the single cab or the crew cab looked better on those super singles. But without further ado, let's get these things on, show you guys, because I cannot wait. Oh my God, guys. This thing literally looks perfect. I am so stoked with how this came out. Check it out. Throw down in the comments if you think this was the right choice or not. I think this was absolutely the best decision I've made so far. This thing looks absolutely nasty. We got 24 by 12 American Force idles. I think they're called the F107 with the 305 35 24 Nitto 420, the new style 420, which I thought I wasn't really a fan of, but I love the look of them on this truck. This just completes it for me. This was honestly a dream of mine to own Forces that were 22s or bigger, and I cannot believe we made the deal with the dude with the crew cab trade for the super singles, and I am just so stoked on this. Guys, I cannot get over how good this thing looks. Oh yeah, and I wanted to mention, this thing rides literally almost like factory, so much better ride quality than the super singles, but I am absolutely loving these wheels so far. My dude Hunter with his nasty GTO, listen to this thing. We got spotted out here taking videos. Oh, it's always cool knowing people with nasty cars. Let's get back to the video.
We some mega boys, we got mega joy. If you try to silence us, we make mega noise. We ain't got no time for the beta boys. Say it with a mega voice. 27 hearts, I'm a mega boy, stomping in the mega hat. Try and take my gun, believe me, I'ma take it back. I know some blacks for Trump, you could call him mega black. Culture vulture on the mega track, I'ma pay him back. Ay, you don't want the beef, we ain't the coward type. We ain't no Antifa, we know how to fight. I'm a nitty gritty alpha, you a flower type. I'm about that action, you a fraction, you about the hype. Ay, and I'ma serve the boss. My one and only job is to point you to the cross.
Guys, absolutely stoked on this new wheel setup. I hope you guys like it. I know there's gonna be a lot of people that hate on getting rid of the 22 by 14 10 lug super singles, but I just couldn't take it anymore. I wanted something different, and I think this was a perfect decision for this truck. If you like this video, if you like the truck, make sure you subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.